mentioned that. I wanted to ask you guys, have you ever thought about a prequel to like the origin story of Shrikant? Like any spy show that's happening in Varanasi or something
Only
like that?
VFX can make me that young, darling.
No, the way Manoj is aging, I am waiting for him to age 5 more years backwards.
No, but Manoj is on a very strict regimen, like a biohacking anti-aging regimen, and he's gonna age backwards. And Priyamani is already there, so we will slowly go back and make a prequel. He would not let us cast another actor in a prequel otherwise, right?
You don't want to be buried alive.
Well, that was a really fun question, and I
But
hope
that's
you
a
got
good
it.
idea, though.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. You've just given them an idea to make something without me. Okay.
No, they can digitally make you like you are young, of course. Like, but
No, but
like,
seriously,
VFX
one of the ideas as we were creating The Family Man was not to have a flashback. There is no backstory for Shrikant Tiwari. It was a conscious choice not to even go there because you've seen it all before. So we wanted a format where we see what we see right now, and we discover the man and the family and the characters as you take the journey with the series, than cutting back to show how, what, when.
Well, thank you so much for your question, and I hope you got an answer. Our next question,
Rohini,
Mike.
yeah.
It's right there. Shravan's going to ask the next one.
Hey, you guys, love the trailer of The Family Man. We're finally back after 4 years and we really liked what we saw. Rajaniki, my question is to you guys. It's been 4 years that we waited for The Family Man, right? Now, what happens in the OTT space is every week there is a new release that happens. Even for us as audience, it takes a while to get, oh, this is back. Was there ever a fear for you guys as creators, yaar, 4 saal hue hai, are the audience going to even remember what happened?
Did Saira and Nikhil tell you to ask this question?
No.
Put more.
This is my question. So why did you take 4 years?
No, I mean, it just took so long because like he was saying, we made Farzi in between, we made a few other things, but we also knew that, sometimes the fact that after 4 years people are still excited and people are waiting for it, I think that's a good sign. And so, hopefully the wait is worth it. But I think Manoj said when he came in, thoda wait kara ke, what did you say that line? Yeah.
Hi.
So I'm thinking like, I think the excitement is still fresh, and I do understand that you might have forgotten. That's why we even made a recap video for those of you who don't want to watch the whole season again, so
Fair.
that you can catch up very quickly and come and watch the season.
Fair. Also, I love what you guys did with Stree, right? The horror comedy universe. Do we see you all returning to horror as a genre?
With Manoj Bajpayee.
Yeah, probably. We would love that.
Yeah, when we went to Manoj initially and said this is actually a comedy too, we realized he hadn't done comedy per se. But see how he's excelling in any genre you put him in. So yes, horror, we have to take him. We need to find a new angle to it, to induce or infuse a unique touch if we go back to horror. I would love to do it. I mean, as like we want to take on other genres as well. I think we have a nice angle now that we want to put in and come back to the big screen. So yeah, we have a couple of ideas brewing for next year.
Perfect. Let's go.
Nice.
Hello.
All-
Hello.
All of them asking the best questions today.
Yeah.
All right.
Also, just for the heck of it, Rohini, can we have Mike there with the young ones? They want to say something.
Yeah, we're going to take the
Yeah.
mic there, please. Thank you.
Those guys. Can we get the mic there? Yeah.
There's a hand raised, and would you kindly give it to him? Hi. Yes, sir.
Hello, hi, I'm Hiral Sidhu, and I wanted to ask sir a question, Manoj sir. As an actor, how does it feel to see yourself in 3 different genres in 1 year? There's Jugnuma, there's Zende, and now Family Man.
Right. That's a very good. At least somebody asked me a question. Yeah.
fan तो है.
Yeah, that's what I am passionate about. That's what gives me a kick, you know, just being an actor. When you can dabble with different genre and try to excel in each and everything that you are doing, and with different directors who have very different opinion about cinema and direction. So it's a challenge for an actor to fit into all of these interpretations and opinions and come out feeling happy that you've given your best and you've done well. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your question. Hands are raised and I hope mics are in. Yes, your
Hello,
mic
Manoj
is with
sir.
you.
Hello, Priya ma'am. Hi, sir. Sir, I am a biggest fan of you, both of you. I have watched a lot of Telugu cinema. And I have first seen you in Happy movie with Allu Arjun, sir. And I'm a
Happy?
biggest fan for that.
Vasara.
Yes, sir. I literally copied that dance form, sir. And especially I have a question for both of you. आपका कोई upcoming Tollywood में ऐसे projects क्या आ रहे हैं क्या sir? आप दोनों के Tollywood और South cinema में?
I was just shooting in Hyderabad till last night, and there were many Telugu directors who met me. As soon as I have something really interesting, exciting, till then there are Telugu directors who are making things in Hindi. I'll work with them.
Thank you so much for your
And
question.
with you, Priya ma'am too. You are आपको कोई film आ रही है?
तेलुगु में हाँ अभी तो शुरू होगी from thank you so much for somebody asked me also a question thank you for that
Ma'am, I know you since Drona ma'am, the film Drona.
yeah
From Drona, I'm a biggest fan of you.
you didn't get any other film to be a fan of I have so many other films on my roster man and you're saying only that one film but
Yamadonga
thank you.
also ma'am.
See you should have started off with that first but thank you so much but yes I will be starting a Telugu film very soon in December.
Yes ma'am, thank you ma'am.
And also, if any other South fans are there, I have a film with Talapati Vijay that's coming out in January.
Big ones, big announcements, yes. And where's the mic now? Do you already have it in your hand? Mic is coming to you, please. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, hi. This is Diksha from Filmy Gyan, and my question is to Dimrit and Jaideep sir. How does it feel to be a part of Family Man Season 3? And if you could describe your experience in just one word, it would be great.
One
One
word
word.
is too little यार एक word में
चलो
जवाब
आप experience बताएं.
but it was mind blowing I've had just the best time and as a fan of the show to be a part of it now the journey is just something that it's a bucket list thing you know to watch something and you're a fan and you've loved their creation you know the characters they feel like your own sort of property, you know. Sometimes when you see certain actors and certain characters on screen, it feels like, you know, ab aage kya hoga, ab ye hoga, nahi hoga. And then to be a part of that story, it's really the biggest, most thrilling experience as an actor. So it feels great.
Our mic is all ready with our next person. Yes? Or
Hello.
do you want a mic?
Hi.
Yes.
This side.
Yeah, he's
I'm
there.
Narinder Bhutani. मनोज सर मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है सर ये जो फैमिली मैन की जो फैमिली है और जो आपकी फैमिली है बहुत मिलते जुलते हैं सो यहाँ पे ट्रेलर के अंदर आज एक सवाल मैंने देखा जो आपको जवाब देना अपनी फैमिली को बता रहे हो शारिफ सर बोल रहे हैं कि आप बता दे राइट सो जो आप बता रहे हो कि हाँ मैं एजेंट हूँ और वो समझ लेता है ट्रैवल एजेंट मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि आपकी फैमिली में जब वो बच्चे आपके ग्रोन अप हो गए थे उनको जब आपने बताया था कि आप एक एक्टर हो तो उनका रिएक्शन क्या था
एक ही बच्चा है
बेटी आपकी
श्रीकांत तिवारी के 2 हैं नहीं मेरी बेटी उसको तो बचपन से पता है कि मैं एक एक्टर हूँ तो मैं क्या बोलूँ मतलब it's a very natural thing but you know for her it's very natural that I'm out for shooting it's very natural for her that you know that Papa goes out to make some living out of something that he really loves. And she respects it. She admires whatever she sees of me. And she's a big fan of Family Man. And she's a big fan of Sharif Hashmi more than me.
Oh, nice.
And one more question.
प्लीज टेल दैट किस्सा ना जो बोला था जेके के लिए, जो बेटा ने बोला था जब जेके।
हाँ, मेरी बेटी का मैं आपको बताया था, सबको पता नहीं आपको पता है कि नहीं, पहले सीजन के बाद वो उसको जो है वो उसने सीरीज देखा, मैंने कहा हाउ डिड यू लाइक इट, शी सेड या इट्स वेरी गुड पापा, एंड शी डिडंट से एनीथिंग, आई मीन शी डिडंट रिकॉग्नाइज द फैक्ट that I'm family man in the, you know. And then right after one day of watching Family Man, she shouted and screamed one day and she said, Papa, Papa, come here. And I ran towards the gate, that's where she was standing. She said, JK is here, Papa. JK is here.
So cute. Thank you, Narinder, for your question.
One more question. It's for the Rajan DK sir. Sir, आप राइटर भी खुद ही हो, डायरेक्टर भी खुद ही हो. क्या ऐसा होता था सेट पे कभी कि आपने सीन कुछ और लिखा था, बट सेट पे जाके आपने सीन ही बदल दिया हो इस सीजन के अंदर?
ज़्यादा मैंने किया. That no, we only write. We write and we direct. So there is no.
अगर डायरेक्ट करते वक्त जो whatever we write, वो कुछ और हो गया तो वो वैसे लिख लेते हैं.
पेपर वर्क पूरा किया है.
Hello. Yeah, this is Rajiv Vijayakar here. My question is for Raj and DK. It's been about 5 years since you.
In the center.
It's been about 5 years since you last made a film, and we have really enjoyed Go Goa Gone and those kind of films. And you already also written 3. So when is the next big screen thing planned? And is it because आपको अभी series बनाने में ज़्यादा मजा आ रहा है in the long narration style?
No, because these guys don't let us go easily. Amazon is like, you have to make Family Man 3, you have to make Fuzzy 2. So not able to make a feature, but 2026 we have to start.
Thank you for asking that question, because I'm already asking for work. I'm standing right in the front, in the line.
Love it.
But Raj is a very diplomatic, you know, he always ready with the diplomatic answer. Of course, Manoj, you are there in our mind for that.
Love it. Love it. Thank you for that question.
Hi,
Yes.
Jaideep. Hi.
You might have to stand up for us, thank you, if you don't mind. On the stage, on that side, please. Thank you. Yes.
Hi, Jaideep. Sana here from India Today. Firstly, congratulations to Prime Video. I mean, to have an actor play such different characters in the same year, it's a great feat. Jaideep, for you, a lot of people have been asking me that, is it Hathiram in this show too? So how challenging was it to break from that image? And we saw on stage the camaraderie that you and Manoj share. Tell me about the experience of working as Nemesis on screen while you have so much love and respect for him.
पहला सवाल तो ये कि ये ज़्यादा जिम्मेदारी इनकी बनी कि हाउ दे कैन सेपरेट हाथीराम फ्रॉम मी. The hair, the look, everything was designed by Rajan DK sir, and I tried to fit in, and you know, the excitement to work with the person who inspires you every day, Manoj bhai. So उनके साथ काम करना ही अपने आप में एक उनको देखना ऑन सेट कि हाँ ये इंसान तैयारी कर रहा है, वो बहुत कमाल का एक्सपीरियंस होता है. आई एम श्योर जितने एक्टर्स ने इनके साथ काम किया होगा या डायरेक्टर्स ने काम किया होगा, तो वो बहुत बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन था टू डू रुकमा. एंड द स्टोरी इटसेल्फ, जिस तरह से लिखा गया है, जितना जितना रूथलेस, जितना बेफिक्र रुकमा है लाइफ को लेके, हाथीराम उसके आसपास भी नहीं है. वो बहुत फिक्रमंद आदमी है. तो वो बहुत एक्साइटेड चीज़ थी इस कैरेक्टर को करने के लिए. एंड द एंटायर टीम, यू नो द शो, यू नो द आर्क ऑफ इट, यू नो द स्टाइल ऑफ इट. So that helped a lot to play Rukma in a different light. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for your question, Sana. And with that, of course, we are going to conclude